Today we are here to solve a real world problem. Factories often release untreated wastewater containing oils, chemicals, etc. directly into rivers. Slum and low income communities living nearby are most affected by them, facing serious health issues. We wanted to stop it right from its source.
Hi, I'm KRIPA and our solution is the EcoCore filter tile, a low-cost, eco-friendly filtration system that attaches directly to the factory's wastewater outlet. It uses stackable natural material tiles to clean water before it enters the environment. It's simple, affordable and perfect for small factories.
I'm Jenisha, and here's how EcoCore works. Water flows through layered tiles. Biochar removes dyes. Magnetite sand removes heavy metals. Jute or rice husk catches particles. Zeolite reduces turbidity. And lastly, activated carbon clears odors. Here's our model. The tiles clean the water step by step. So far, we have designed EcoCore, identified the best natural materials. Our future plan is to build a fully working prototype, test it with local workshops, and improve through real-world trials.
We are the team EcoCore, and we want to make wastewater treatment simple, affordable, and accessible for all. Thank you.